Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department admission ceremony for today, January 10, 2022. Ms. Guerrero?
Good afternoon, and may it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 27 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. Now, normally when there is a motion presented to the court, the members of the panel would retire to consider the motion, to argue, to look it over, etc. In advance of today's motion, however, we did consider it, and the application is granted. Ms. Guerrero, again, on behalf of the panel, on behalf of the justices of the First Department, wish to thank you and your committee for all the work that you've done, your tireless efforts in reviewing the applications of these applicants, and also especially during these trying times. So again, our sincere thanks. The clerk of the court, Ms. Susana Rojas, will deliver the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath of office in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do." At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do. I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Yes, congratulations, attorneys. So it is the custom of the that one of the justices administer or speak to you, give remarks to you. And today that honor falls to my esteemed colleague, Justice Oing. Justice Oing?
Thank you, Justice Weber. I had to unmute myself. Apologies. So this is you folks are now give a whole new meaning to the term high noon. So you guys should really be happy and excited about what just happened for all of you. So if you, and I just want to recall, so if you pay careful attention at the call, you're referred to as candidates. Now you're referred to as attorneys. A big milestone, a great milestone, very impressive. And I want to congratulate all of you. This occasion is an incredibly momentous day for you and your families. Congratulations to you again and your family. Getting admitted to the bar will be an incredible accomplishment under normal circumstances. Clearly, we are not in a normal circumstance. Before the pandemic, you would have been in our majestic courtroom here on 25th Street, and you would have seen what it would have been like. I encourage all of you when we get out of this pandemic, and hopefully very soon, to come and visit the courtroom and see what it's like, because it is grand. But that said, your admission is very special. Every generation of new attorney has a defining moment. Your defining moment is like no other and is unmatched in terms of challenges you will face. You're probably anxious, worried, and concerned. Just know that you are equipped to handle this crisis and so much more. You got through law school and the bar exam, obstacles that only a person with a strong conviction and incredible determination can overcome. Take today to enjoy the moment. As an attorney, you will encounter and overcome other obstacles. Celebrate those accomplishments. That said, you, like no other generation before you, are entering a noble profession at a time when so many need your help. Each of you has a unique skill and talent which give you the ability to use the power of the law. You must strive to ensure that the law is not used to diminish the rights of those who are less fortunate. Remember, as lawyers, you are the voice and face of the voiceless and faceless. Volunteer your time, your knowledge, and your skills to those in need. Indeed, I hope that you can tap into a cause on an issue that you hold dear to your heart and channel that feeling into pro bono work that is important and meaningful to you. Tapping into that energy will allow you to understand the meaning and value of justice and realize the importance of your pro bono work. Of course, doing so requires you to go out on a limb. That is an incredibly tough ask, but you can do it. Remember, success is the reward for those who are not afraid to fail. And to that end, know that failure is the best teacher we have. Your successes should not be easy. If anything, you won't take your accomplishments for granted. Having said that, I think to be fair to you, I should give you a piece of advice to help you navigate that long, winding legal road. You have the talent for legal research. Your presence here today is proof of that. To hone and perfect that talent, you need to have the courage to learn. I still have it. Listen and listen intently. We all have the natural tendency to speak and respond. Resist that urge. You will learn a great deal. This journey that you're about to embark on is a continuing legal education unto itself. This moment marks the beginning for you in your legal career, and nothing is out of your reach. Your future and accomplishments are limited only by your imagination and energy. I am confident each of you will do your best to see that your goals are realized. Remember, you can make a difference and you will make a difference. This is your defining moment. You will make us all proud. Good luck, and here's your first judicial directive. Go out and celebrate this momentous day. Stay warm, because it's really cold out there, and have a happy day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Justice Oing. And again, congratulations to you all. Take care.
Thank you to the justices and Ms. Rojas. All of the judges will log off now, as will Ms. Rojas, and the new attorneys will stay with me.